Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week I've started the research work for a new race in the game, so I've been sourcing a bunch of images to help with the design for them. This race is going to be focused around the arts and warfare, so I've been looking to history and mythology to get a bit of inspiration along those lines. So let's take a look at what is happening. I've been heavily inspired by the ancient Greek and Roman civilizations, and I thought it would be great to have a race in the game which had some influences from it. I've always wanted to have a race which was focused on the arts and warfare, and what better place to look for those things than the mythology and history of the Greeks and Romans. They also have some of the most recognisable outfits and clothing in history, which immediately draws to mind the grandeur of these civilizations at their peaks. Luckily for me, there are a ton of resources online where I can source the images I need for their clothing, weapons, architecture, and the like. Extra luckily for me, I stumbled upon a selection of drawings by one artist, which covered a wide variety of male and female clothing, hairstyles and accessories, which is a boon of a resource. I'll add in some links to the artist's work here. As I mentioned in a previous video, I'd like to incorporate some of the architecture and artwork of the Greeks and Romans within this race's hometown. Things I love in particular are the statues of deities and heroes, and I'd love to have a bunch of them dotted around the village. I also plan on having a temple situated there too, as I love the look of those structures. I plan to throw in a mixture of traditional columns and sculpted ones holding up the roof to maximise the look and feel of the place. Now at this stage, I'm not sure whether to keep them as a human-like race, or, similar to the others I've created so far, make them more fantastical in appearance. I'm going to play around with some different designs to see if I can come up with something that I like. What that ends up being, you'll just have to wait and see. So that's it for this week. Next week I hope to show more progress along the lines of what I've been doing with the research and hopefully some concept designs for things. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.